Hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, today a new week. Today in the daily newspaper on Monday, August the 9th, 2021. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this puzzle page, we have also an additional. This is the additional with extra Sudokus. Sudoku with the first one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So in the additional, there are 6 extra Sudokus. I only do half of them, so 3 of them I will solve. And the first Sudoku I will solve is not from the additional but the regular Sudoku, and this regular Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, and this one will be a number 3127. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted 26 printed digits, and if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku, and for 2 stars I need a 15 to 20 minutes to solve. All right, so let's get started. Let me see, which number shall I pick? How about the 6 in the first column, the 6 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row, so the row between, the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so in the column between, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. Which number shall I pick? How about let me see. Come on. We have an 2 in the last column, a 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 9 in this column? 9 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then. How about The 5 in the last column, the 5 in the in that column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. Yeah, wait. 8, 8, 7, 1. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in the last row, so no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 4 and a 9. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in the last row for the number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 8 are missing. Alright, let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and an 8. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column. 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have a 2 and a 7 as a pair. The second pair in this big square are the numbers 4 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 in the second column should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. Then 3, 7, 2, 8. So we have a 5 in this first column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Alright. Then. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 1. Alright. Then 6, 2, 3. How about 7, 8, and 3. Interesting. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There, 3, no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 should be there. We have here 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers in the third column are the numbers 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here we have a pair, so the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and the 8. The 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have an 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. Okay. One box left in the second row for the number 7. Okay. Then these 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 4 and the 7 in this column. 4 and the 7. And look, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, the 2 is missing, 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. Alright. Alright. Then. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. 3 and 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And 3 goes there. Alright. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and the 4. Okay. Then we have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 2 and the 7 are missing. 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7. 7 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 7. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time, because for 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes, I need to solve a 2-star Sudoku. And I've solved this in 40 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, later with the other 3 puzzles in additional. I will do a 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.